That's him. That's him. It was yesterday I was shocked because we've been mentioning his case. And it looked like it's a tale from the moon. And he saw me and said, Pastor Sam, I am that boy that had an animal tail and animal face. And I shook and I started waving to God of choosing. Even yesterday, Pastor mentioned his case again. I don't know if you remember. That's the boy. Can he say praise the Lord to the congregation?
Choose him, praise the Lord. Choose him, praise Almighty Jesus. Blessed CRM, praise the Lord. Choosing generation, praise the Lord. Oh, this God of choosing is so great.
Hey!
I fear this God of choosing. If it's not because of this God of choosing, I will not be alive. Oh God of my pastor, that.
These are tears of joy, and they are allowed. They are allowed any day, any time. This God of choosing is so great.